Good morning, students. Yashvi Davda here. Standard 6, Science, Chapter 9, The Living Organisms, the Characteristics and Habits. Pehli and Buzo went on vacation to many places of interest. One such trip took them to the river Ganga on Rishikesh. They climbed the mountains of the Himalayas. Where it was very cold, they saw many kinds of trees on this mountain, oaks, pines and deodars, very different from the one near their home on the plains. In yet another trip, they travelled to Rajasthan and moved on camels through the hot desert. They collected different kinds of cactus plants from the trip. Finally, they went on a trip to Puri and visited to the sea beach, dotted with cassia trees, while collecting all the fun that they had on these trips. A thought struck them. All these places were so different from one another. Some were cold, some were hot and dry, some places so humid, and yet all of them had many organisms of various kinds. See, पहली और बूजो दो गर्ल और बॉय थे। दोनों वेकेशन पे गए थे। वेकेशन पे उन्होंने गंगा ऋषिकेश जाना तय किया। वहाँ पे वो माउंटेन चढ़े। उसके बाद वो लोगों ने राजस्थान जाना डिसाइड किया। राजस्थान में गए तो वहाँ डेजर्ट में गए, ठीक है। अब जहाँ ऋषिकेश गए थे तब थोड़ी ठंडी थी, फिर राजस्थान गए तब थोड़ी गर्मी थी, और बाद में उन लोगों ने बीच पे जाना नक्की किया, मीन्स के पूरी बीच पे जाना नक्की किया। वहीं भी एटमॉस्फेयर थोड़ा डिफरेंट था, ठीक है। They tried to think of place on earth where there may not be any living creatures. Bujo thought of places near his home. Inside the house, he tried the cupboards. He had thought that there may not be anything organisms here, but he found tiny spider in the cupboard outside the home too, where did not seem to be any place he could think of that did not have living creatures of some kind of. The other Pehli started think and reading about far away places. She read the people have even found any living organisms in the opening of vacation. बुजो ने सोचा कि हम अर्थ पे कोई ऐसी जगह पे जाएं जहाँ पे कोई भी लिविंग क्रिएचर्स अवेलेबल ना हो। घर के आसपास उन्हें ये प्लेस ढूंढना शुरू किया। उन्हें वो डैम श्योर थे कि उनके कपबोर्ड में तो ऐसी कोई लिविंग क्रिएचर्स नहीं होगा। फिर भी उनके कपबोर्ड में से एक स्पाइडर तो मिला ही, तो ऐसी कोई जगह नहीं है जहाँ पे लिविंग क्रिएचर्स ना हो। Now topic 9.1 Organisms and the surroundings where they live. Another thought that occurred to Pehli and Buzo was about kinds of living organisms that were present in different locations that they had visited. The desert and camels, the mountains and goats and yak. Puri had some another creatures, cubs and beach and such variety of fish being caught by the fishermen at sea. And then there did seem to be some creatures like ants that were present in all these different locations. The kind of plants found in such of these regions were so different from plants of another regions. What about the surroundings? जैसे कि कोई हर जगह पे अलग अलग लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं। जैसे हमने पहले ही देखा कि कैमल्स हैं जो डेजर्ट में ही रहते हैं, और गॉट्स एंड याक्स जो है वो माउंटेन जैसे एरिया में ही रहते हैं, और बीच में कब्स एंड फिश वो सभी क्रिएचर्स रहते हैं। ठीक है, तो सब क्रिएचर्स की अलग अलग जगह होती है, सराउंडिंग के हिसाब से वो अलग अलग रहते हैं।